Hello guys, I'm going to show you the Natwest assignment of uh, Python backend developer assessment report generation microservice. So this is that is the link I have given to you. Just git clone it. Yeah, it's downloaded. Mhm. This is the assignment. Create Python variable. If you want, if you want to run not in Docker. Yeah, just run this command I have given to you. Up and build. It will downloaded all the packages from the Docker, and I have written the Docker compose. Sorry, this is the file. Yeah. I made it easy. I can do it in environment variable, but I just made it for you. And this is the after running it, it will run Docker file, and it will go to the endpoint.sh, and in endpoint.sh I wrote all the command to make migration app. Django Celery build and migrate all the files and collecting static files if you want. And yeah, it's just starting. HTTP 0.0. Okay, yeah, now I'll run this enforcement. Yeah, this is the postman. I'm going to register it. Yeah, it's it's returning user ID, email name, and other thing. I'm just making it global. We can log in to. Yeah, we can log out. We just have to pass access token. Yeah, the you can get X here of access token. This is the example. You just have to pass in the params. You can get access token. This is the upload rule. Yeah. Uh, Docker file automatically create media, and in app it create a transformation and configs. It's just downloaded from the web. And this is the media, it's empty. And this is the Natwest settings.py where I have wrote all the code for configuration. This is a simple JWT, and this is a Postgres connection. Yeah, and I use user.system user, and this is a media root. Now upload. Yeah, it's uploaded. If you change in in main file, and then you can just re-upload it. Re-upload. After re-uploading, it will just change it from here to. I just make it easy. Yeah. After uploading it, generate report input and reference file. This is the input.csv, and this is the reference. Download it. The download section. I have the reference.csv. It contains 250 rows, just like this. It contains 250 rows approx. And this is the task ID I get that I use actually Celery and Redis. So after it, I will pass it, pass in here. I will get the download report. Yeah, this is the download. You can actually download it. Save file to responses. This is the 414 in.csv. Yeah, download response 14 in.csv. It's 14 in.csv. Yeah, it's taking time to open. Yeah, I just passed two wrong field to test error handling. Yeah, it's all integer. Its name, outfield 3, 4, and 5. Just like the JSON name, outfield 2, outfield 3. It's changing dynamically. And this is why this is here I just pass A, B, and C, D to test the error handling, and it's get the perfect result error because float and string can't be concatenate. And there's yeah, it's done. And now I'm going to show you the uh, trigger report schedule. It's input. It take input file cron. It's date and time actually, and reference file and rules.json. I write it for it will automatically generate after 1 minute and in every 1 minute actually. So I pass it one and you can pass date, time, months and years, all the things, and it will generate at that time. Yeah, it's not message set task created. It's task ID and report name. Uh, it's I have created model to say that detail, report name, task ID, output path, and the status that's schedule. Yeah, I take the task ID from this from there, and if I paste it in download report, it will again generate. It will give the output of the file. Yeah, it's giving. It's just triggered. I can implement OAuth 2.0, but I think JWT will be better for this short for this. Yeah, I tested this. This is my example, and I even tested it. It worked fine. Uh, let's come to the coding part. What I did. Yeah, you can see I have set up Celery worker and it's generating succeeded in the seconds. Output media location and then all the thing. Celery worker network. Yeah, let's come to the coding part. Where is the it's the uh, it's URL generate report and upload rule, and I have created 4 APIs for this. Landing. If you click gen, this is the upload rule. Permission I have passes multi-pass parser, and this is a query. I am taking JSON and YAML file. I implemented error handling here, and it's exists okay, and it will return true and check this, and it's divided in chunks and save it. So it's making fast efficient for saving the files if we do in chunks. I'm saving in app configs, transformation config, and this is the report generation. Yeah, after that it's now showing you the generate report, upload rules, generate report. It's I'm taking two things, input and reference. I'm just creating unique ID and pass unique ID, and it will take rows dot from here rows.json, and it will pass it will save in chunks, and salary will work here and do this in the background, and I pass the rule path, that is rules.json. Yeah, rules.json, and path the it take input path, reference path, and output path, and converted it into dictionary, and it will again pass it into apply rules, and in apply rules we will do all the processing, and this is the init file where we load rules. You pass it from here. Yeah, transformation engine. It loads the rule. It applies the rule. I have just allowed the max min IVS and round, and I saved that in context where if it will work dynamically, just pass the output row. Yeah, I just mistakenly right. Okay. Yeah. After that, it will pass the task ID, and we will test the task ID and pass it into the download report view URL. It take the task ID, and if result is ready, and it will check if it is available output path. If output file is available or not, this is the error handling. And if yes, it will pass the file. If it's not ready, and then it will pass the result.status. This is the upload rule I have shown you. And this is the code of trigger schedule, where we take a cron input file, reference file, in rules file, and report name actually. Yeah, this is the transformation rule for trigger schedule. We are saving it differently with a different name. We take the cron and then split it, and we pass it in, creating the object of cron schedule. And after doing it, we will make unique ID and parts, and save this rules.pass, and we will do it in chunks. For your condition was 1 GB. Uh, yeah, your condition was 1 GB for checking for files. So I have used the chunks and salary and redis for that. It will pass the task ID, report name, and cron and HTTP request. Yeah, you can see transformation rule is saving, and this is the media files. I'm saving it here. You can check